things are so expensive, and I know it's worldwide, but we have to sit down and talk about this. We haven't even finished buying what we need to buy yet.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video and welcome back to the channel. Now people, I said to myself I have to turn on the camera and show you guys what's going on. Guys, let me show you this. Hold on. Alright, you see this small little box of things? I'm going to run through them, yeah? So Outlaw just went to the shop and just got these things. So we got one box of milk, one butter, few potatoes, yeah, few Irish. There's 4 in there. 2 of them little round buns, yeah. 1 pack of Lay's chips. Look at this. 3 tomatoes. 2 little cheese, to put in the bun, yeah. 2 tang. These you just mix them and make drink with them. And these 3 little powder seasonings. Oh, you can go, it's fine. 1 fish and 2 all-purpose. That's it. And oh yeah, and let me show you some fish thawing out. Just 2 little Banga Marys. These are like, I think one of the cheapest fish you can buy out here. Yeah. Banga Mary, yeah? Good. So just these few little things, guys. Just these few little things. How much would you say? Just these like little corner shop, little sit-ins.
4.1 million.
Say that again.
4.1 million. As in 4,100 Jamaican dollars.
4,100 Jamaican dollars for this. That's equivalent of about 23 pounds in England, roughly. 23 pounds for this. In America, that's about $28 at today's exchange rate. $28 for these few things, guys. $28 US. 23 pounds UK pounds.
2 weeks
People.
2 weeks ago, you're going to get 2 tamales for the money there. 2 weeks ago. This week, so they get for the same money there.
Every time I go to the store, I realize every week the prices have gone up. Like,
you're not at all race. Just go to the
guys,
store and buckle up.
It's getting like ridiculous now because the price of things are just. And I know this is happening everywhere, all over the world. I know it's happening where you are, guys, whatever country you're in, I know. But, like, how are you coping? We're going to have to sit down and talk about this.
Of course.
Like, guys, how are you coping? Because honestly, when I'm not coping, we're not coping. We're not coping. It's not easy right now. And do you know what? I give thanks that we're able to purchase certain things and do certain things, but it's not easy, man. It's not easy. And I know a lot of people are feeling it. We're feeling it too. Things are so expensive, and I know it's worldwide, but we have to sit down and talk about this. We haven't even finished buying what we need to buy yet.
I want to feed people.
The thing is, we haven't really bought things like a shopping lot on a monthly basis or weekly because we're not really here. So we just buy as we need. But boy, that's who we are.
Serious thing I want.
We only bought no chicken for tomorrow. Sunday dinner rice and all the little things that you need. But guys,
I'm going to laugh it up over people.
$4,000 for this. $4,000, 23 pounds or 28 US dollars for this and the little fish. Well, serious. You have to eat, innit?
Yeah, you have to eat. So we give thanks to everyone.
True.
So what a little something.
Yeah.
So if I want banana, we'll share it, Yeah. I want to feel. Life is good.
Guys, not an easy road, but what we're gonna do? Yeah, we'll sit down and talk about it. Alright people, back where I left off. So remember I was ranting about the prices of the few things that Outlaw bought. So we've just come back. We went Ochi for a little bit and had to stop at the store again to buy stuff for dinner tomorrow, a few things for dinner tomorrow. So let me show you. So this is what I bought. This is what Outlaw bought earlier, right? And this is the stuff I said that came to like $27. Just this little box. $27, about £23. So I've just added these on. 1 little something of garlic, 2 ripe plantain, coconut powder, some chicken seasoning. I love these. I'm like addicted. 1 pound bag of rice, so £2. Some peas, little macaroni, and £3 of mixed parts. Yeah, £3 of mixed part chicken. Yeah. So altogether, this is like $45 US. These few little things, like $45 US. Yeah. $45 US. I don't even know what that is in pound. 30 something pound, 35 pound maybe. This few little things about 35 pounds. The banana we got from a neighbor. Yeah. When we have banana, Outlaw will go and share it with the neighbors. When they have banana, they will do the same thing for us. But it's good to live good with your neighbors, right? Not all the neighbors around here I can say the same thing about, but the majority, yes. But yeah, these few little things, guys, nearly $50, nearly $50 US, about 35 pounds or something like that. Yeah. So guys, if you hear the noise, it's a fan in the background. So yes, guys, you see how expensive things are, and like I said, I know it's everywhere, but it's all over the world, I know, but I can only really talk about the place that I live in. Yeah, Jamaica is expensive. Food is expensive. Gas, guys, don't even talk about the gas prices or petrol prices, UK equivalent.
No, what's up, man?
We're at a point right now, guys, where all right, we've had to increase the prices of our tours. Yeah.
Everything is increased.
Because everything's the gas prices. We got to a point where we were like trying to charge the same amount that we always charge, and we weren't making anything because everything was just going back into gas. So now we've had to increase the price in order to even make a small profit. You know, gas prices out here are not normal. Like, yeah, and I know it's everywhere. I know that even in England now they're saying it's like £100 to fill up your tank, guys. In Jamaica, it's not far off. It's not far off. It's not for Outlaw to fill up his tank. It's not far from £100. Do you understand?
15,000 Jamaicans.
Yeah, which is like about 75, 80 pounds. 75, 80 pounds to fill his tank, and you're going on a long distance or wherever you're going. You know, you understand.
You have to fill the tank to move.
You have to fill the tank to move.
Yeah.
And then of course, if you have an AC, you know how that goes already. When everyone's to ride in comfort, right? Yeah. So we can only talk about our experience, even though I know it's hard everywhere, all over the world.
But like share the thing with you now.
Yeah. So guys, Jamaica's expensive right now.
The world is like that, but we can say what we can talk about Jamaica.
You know those few things that I showed you, those few food items. That's just for a day. That's just for today and tomorrow. That's 2 days. Do you understand? Like $44, like a day on that wasn't even anything for breakfast. That's just like dinner for today, dinner for tomorrow, a couple snacks in between. That's all. There wasn't no breakfast items, no lunch items. Dinner for today, dinner for tomorrow, and a few snacks in between.
That's the word. That's what the things are.
Yeah. So
because everybody are dependent on other people feed food, you know.
Yeah.
We never put no food. We never plan food for ourselves.
Yeah.
And all these things, though.
That's a lot of our downfall. That's the country's downfall.
Yes.
A lot of our downfall.
Yes.
So yeah, definitely plant more.
Yeah, that's the whole world.
Plant more so you can eat what you grow.
Remember back in the days, Jamaica was like that. When we are saying banana and plant go foreign.
Yeah.
From Jamaica, from the boat and something there.
Yeah.
Jamaica is up on a local level.
True.
Them change out everything and now try import everything more was for come to Jamaica.
Yeah.
It's in them something not problem for come to Jamaica now, so everything raised.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have nothing for ourselves again.
Unfortunately, in Jamaica we have so much imported stuff that could be grown here.
Yeah.
Is imported. Tomatoes are imported, like red peas, like and I'm like, what?
Yeah.
So a lot more can be done for
but
about farming and everything.
Everything, like whole thing can be done to make the thing work. But everybody turn this thing into one big hustling, you know. So I do them thing. We're not go too deep with it, but you understand what I say? Yeah, one big hustling I go on. So. Guys,
leave comments. Like we'd be interested to find out, because like I said, we're talking about our experiences. But how's it going for you guys? Like even in like some of the first world countries. I know it's hard. Like leave comment. How is it for you? Like with everything, inflation, everything going up. Do you know what I mean? And it's not going to be a struggle for everybody. We know that, but guys, this is like, it's difficult, right? Like, it's not normal. So yeah, it'll be good. It'll be interesting to hear the effects on everybody else out there. You know.
So I reached to a point. This part of man go put on in pot, and some man out start watching. Him not see them, but he put on in pot and say yes, I cook some food, and some man out start watching. And see when the pot they cook, him not see the pot, man. Some little man, some different man take the pot and gone. a man go take off your pot of a fire. I just say thing I reach to right away. And it a come, you know.
Yeah.
You know, I'm telling you say it a come. And then I'm something.
Yeah.
But we give thanks to life.
We still have to be thankful though, right? That we are able to eat. Yeah. We
Yes.
might have to reduce certain things, but you know,
help who you can
and there's
help
more,
and-
there's a lot more worse out there than us. So we always have to be in everything. We have to give thanks.
Yeah, but I think I'm blessing. When God bless you, Him bless you for bless somebody else, you know. But I feel like you alone to get blessing, you know.
True.
So when you just do what you have to do, when you come out to that someday. Not wrong, man. It's good, man. Good same way, man. We still give thanks, as we say. I'm and prayers.
Yeah.
It's good, man. But if you just hold the faith of my people, you can't make this tragedy, what you call it now, the
Tragedy.
tragedy of the world, or what one of the world, hold it, get it down.
Yeah.
You can't go around it, man. You can make a cup of tea in the man and you can eat something a little more. You go up not about lunch, you know. Make a cup of tea in the man and you can eat a little more. Give thanks.
True.
Give thanks. Them things are nice.
Yeah. All right, guys. That's just like our little. I didn't want to call it a rant, but it is kind of a little rant. But we're still thankful and we're still grateful, and you know, it's just a reality of what's going on right here
And
where we live. And I know a lot of you guys, like I said, are going through the same thing. So
I know we have to share it, don't Yeah, because more time you have to carry it.
all right, guys. I think we're gonna, you know, leave it there. So thanks for watching again. Please like, comment, share, subscribe.
Yeah, that's tell the one I got you. Not the same feeling or something like that.
Yeah.
You don't know if everybody are going to do that something.
True. Share your experiences with us,
Yeah,
guys. We'd like to
You
know.
don't know what I got.
Leave it in the comment.
Because you know you're going to tell them what I got.
Yeah.
So we say manners and prayers, isn't it? And we say long life and happy living. So we say good health to the small piece of wealth. Plastic easy for melt.
Alright, guys. Later.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.